village, folks. This is why I moved to Florida. Holy shit. I hope my new deck holds up here. My new patio. What's happening right now? Pan across my backyard. There she blows. There it comes. I think a tornado went by before. I heard a damn freight train go by. Too bad I can't get out there. Some interesting stuff happening out there. Around the end of the building. Thank God we're blocked in here. It's getting pretty strong here. Hope my roof holds up. Oops, I'm shaking myself here. Oh, geez. Very interesting. I guess you could hear the noise on my tin roof. It's a roaring. Absolutely. Boy, I wish I would have put that gutter on. We're down the leader.
Yuma, October 24th, 2005. Better be the last. It's the only one we're getting hit with, so. We've had tornadoes further south in Melbourne. We see severe damage all along from Floridana Beach on A1A across 192 into West Melbourne. And Cocoa Village last night, the tornado went through. So not only do we have to deal with the wind and the rain, but we have tornado watches on. So what's that one? This is it. Heavy duty. We're underneath our new porch. Patio, that Sal built, not screened in yet, just because of the storm. We wanted to wait. Look at that wind coming through like a freight train. Can't see anything. That's you, Patty. Turning on the phone. Rambo won't leave Sal. There's Rambo. His first real hurricane that he's out in. He keeps looking at me saying, what's happening here? There's that heavy duty rain